how to create a sleek map chart in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Excel and make sure you have all the data ready. Then go ahead and select the data. And once you've selected it all, go to Insert and there you'll see Maps option beside Pivot Chart. Tap on it and then tap on the map. And there you can go. The sleek chart has been inserted. Now you can change the layout by tapping on the various options on the top. And then you can even change the colors according to your wish. So you can put any colors that you want, and then you can even work on the different styles, and you can even put the chart title, and then you can even change the legend. So here you can change the legend entry options as well as the text options, and you can even change the alignment, text direction, margins, and so on. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.